sure you're recording me. Hey friends, just a little information for you in case you are interested in lights. I am having to replace, if you look up here, point the camera up. These are like an 8-inch circle, and they need to be replaced. They are a Patriot lighting. These are the Patriot lighting from Menards, and they go bad. These are less than 5 years old. I'm having to replace these, and what happens is on the top of it, so if you look here, this plastic, you can actually see this one, it gets hot and then it cracks, and many times it'll push itself down. Sometimes they just stop working, and other times they'll continue to work, but this gets hot and then it kind of cracks and splits. So I've had these in my house for about not quite 5 years yet. We haven't been here for 5 years, and we are having to replace all these. And every single one that I've had to replace, some of them still work, but they all have this area that's gotten too warm and it's cracked. So I am going to replace them with these that I have found on the internet. They're just a 4-inch LED, low profile. I'm in the process of replacing many of them. We can see there is one of them. There's the originals. I think they put out about the same amount of light, if not just a little bit more. But this little low profile light, that's a Patriot light from Menards, I would not recommend you put those in. I am replacing all of them throughout my house with these little low profile. So there you go, folks. Just some information if you're interested in lighting. Thanks for watching.